So inside of this home, we're actually gonna install a Josh AI home control system. So you're probably wondering, what's Josh AI? Well, Josh AI is a future-forward home automation platform that allows you to control just about everything in your home. It's the glue that brings lights, sound, entertainment, and security into a unified platform with a primary focus on voice interaction. This little box right here is a Josh One. What this does is it gives you the ability to control up to 100 devices within a single home. And in this home, we're gonna get really close to that with just the lighting because we have so many switches and things to control. We'll also be able to control audio, we'll be able to control the shades and any other internet connected device and pull it in if it has the proper drivers, and we'll be able to control those systems, set up macros, programming, and with Josh AI, it allows you to use their on-device AI to create custom scenes for any number of things that you may want to do. You're having a party and you want to host a few people, you can give it all sorts of parameters and say, here's what I'd like to do, and it's going to create a scene for you specifically for that.
So this is the brains, this is the brawn, so to speak. This is where the magic happens. This is just a little microphone that hears your voice. And one thing that's really awesome about Josh that really differentiates it from, say, Alexa and Google Home is that it is very privacy focused.
Yeah.
They're not using it to sell you things. They're not using it to learn about your patterns and things like that. It's very privacy focused. This is used in lots of really high-end homes throughout the country. And so because of its privacy focus. So this guy actually listens to you. You can use a little word, hey Josh, or Josh, okay Josh, and it will do whatever action you tell it to do. So we're gonna set that up and see how it works in here.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So it's really simple. All it needs is a network connection and power. And once it's on the network, it's gonna go out and start discovering all of these devices. So the simplest for us is we're just gonna place it inside of this panel where all of our network terminations come and where our gateway is. This is an Arrow gateway. We're just literally gonna plug in a patch cable and power. And put it in here and we're off to the races. Now it's gonna get on the network, start figuring out what's in there, and we'll be golden. We'll start programming everything.
All right, so Eric's got the Josh installed in the laundry room. This has automatically found the Josh core, so we're just configuring it. We're giving it some names here and its address. So we're gonna go here and configure the devices first, and we are going to add in our Lutron first and foremost. So we'll click authorize, and Eric's gonna go push the button on the raw processor to activate it. It is authorized. So we're gonna bring in Sonos too. So it found our Sonos. It's kind of cool because it finds all of your devices, right?
Yeah, it's just like magic. It pulls them in. Anything that's already been authorized on your network and connected to it, it will then start pulling those devices in.
Play chill music in the kitchen. There aren't any music systems in this room? There aren't, because we didn't assign the Sonos to a room. So that's what we need to do next. By assigning every device to a room, we can control things more granularly. Josh devices are location and context aware, so by default, the Josh microphone in the kitchen will only adjust things in the kitchen. Of course, this is all configurable, so if you want the kitchen Josh to turn off the living room lights, you can do that as well. So we have assigned all of the devices, all the Sonos devices. Now we're ready to test this out. So we can control everything. So we can even say, turn off the kitchen lights. Turn on the kitchen lights. Turn off all the lights. Wow. Okay, next we have got the music, we've got the Lutron, it's all tied in. We're now setting up the Josh Micro. This is the actual mic. So we're gonna go here into our app and we're gonna say device setup, and we're gonna say Josh Micro.
There you go.
So it's gonna discover the network And we're gonna put in the password. All right, we're adding the Josh Micro to the Wi-Fi. Once it's online, we should be able to control everything with our voice. Hey Josh, play chill music in the kitchen.
Now playing chill music.
Hey Josh, turn up the volume. Dance party.
You can also go like this.
Ooh, that gets thumping. We've set up Josh in this beautiful Parade home. It's all ready to go. It's a pretty simple system right now. Normally we would do a little bit more, but because we just want to showcase it, we have the One Josh Micro and then the Josh One that's controlling all of the devices, which includes all our Lutron lights, our Lutron shades, our Sonos, and then of course all the Josh elements as well.
Tell us what you think we should automate inside of this home.
And come back for more stuff. We'll talk more about Josh and show you some more things that we're going to do. So thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you next time.